This is the first video of how you can dry run any code. So basically here is a function of uh, average array calculation. I've created this function to demonstrate that this is the array. Okay, so in this function we pass an array. Okay, so this is a function and here we have to pass an array. After that, what the function will do is it will calculate the average of that array. So just imagine there is an array of numbers consisting of numbers like 2, 4, 6, 8, 6, 8, 12. Okay, so as we know that the average of anything is like the addition of all the numbers divided by number of items. So here we can see that 2 plus 4 is 6 and 6 plus 6 is 12 and 12 plus 8 is 20 and 20 plus 12 is like 32. So 32 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. We'll get something around 5 ones are 5, 5, 5 6 are 30, 6, 30 and we got 2 and now like there's a point, no point. Okay, let's calculate this. 32 divided by 5, which is 6.4, right? 6.4. So let's just dry run this code and see how the function will exactly do this. Okay, so first of all we pass here the array. Okay, so this is a number of like 5 number of array, and after that uh, when this function will execute, the first thing which this function will do is to create an variable of sum of array, where the function will track the total addition of those arrays. Okay, and now here is a loop for let I is equals to 0. So this is like the initial value of I. After that uh, I this code will run until and unless the length of the array. Okay, so this thing will represent the total length of array. So basically if the length of the array is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, it will run for the 5 time. Okay, so this thing will turn like 1, now 2, now 3, 1, 4 and 5. After that, what this will do, like for example, if we take this and if we think that the array of index is 0, so 0 is array dot length is like 0 and it will store the current value in this variable. So let's visualize this. First, when the value of I is equals to 0, okay, the current array will store array of index 0. Okay, so let's create a small array like 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will generate the array which is accessible on this thing, right? 1. And after assigning the value, it will go and sum up in the sum of array. Okay, so sum of array is like sum is equals to 0 plus 1. Okay, now when the loop will turn check the value of I, it is like 1, which is less than the total length of array. So it will do the same thing with array of index 1. Okay, array of index 1. And now the array of index 1, the value that holds is like 2. So it will assign the current array to the value of 2. So after after that it will also sum up. Okay, so the initial value of that sum of array is 0 plus 1, which is 1, and after that it will add like 1 is equals to 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2, which is 3. So this thing will go right into here, and let me clear the canvas. 3 and 4, the array of 1. Now the array of the second index, the array of second index, which is equals to 3. So it will run the same thing. It will assign the array on the index of 2 to the current array and sum it up in the sum of array. And after the loop will run for like fourth time, it will check for the last time and see if the array is less than I or not. After that, it will terminate this loop and it will return sum of array divided by array of index. Oh, array of length. All right.